Minyana brother ya masamba medawase wa utwe me bia no na momientoa ye Bible studies no so na ba bi edue no ye hu se Yesu Kristo eden or ye king just ye dey good no abono ni muse good so dem si chere na za good band no to me ahoden bibia betimi akan bia just say obun posu ti Yesu ba ne dia no ba sa time no Yesu o woni den ni son of man ni they say Yesu Kristo no o kai mre bia na Yesu Kristo na mo ana sa ne red band bi no sa redemption band me sa na me kan no sa red band no red no there's oba obi redeem yen ti na sa de no o the sign of the nam no redemption band na time no na o ba ji wiase oba aba be gi enkwa aba onyankopon enchen na ni mu no yetimi ni onyankopon eden atna it is a red band that's what I call it, redemption band. So at ya say oba be gi enkwa gi band and then they bu ni mu na na ordinam but to say in John say who ni said in the son of man like he say no gold in eden bu ni mu enye just in the nine na or say the brass in the nine no at ya say on say brass that one in nine in the feet no. But they say no shit. So I shepherd sandals ni bi mu. Zampa boa brown bi no sha na as ye twetwa ho mi an. No. So I more bro life na use the buy no. That meekness no is gone. Ni nyina de etwem akuku Yesu echi. They say no ohun no in the son of man like or by say obey Christopher nyina nkwa obey Christopher or boy ho ban or protect yen if your time for abonsam na yen or the akọ yesra himam ni na kwa agwele akotena or the nkunim or the power or the might in his glory no the nam or nam as Yesu no the humobro band aboni moni biem that meekness no is gone. And maybe I used to number guys, Jerusalem, better me Jim or Namu Kuma prophet ascend your mobile mona apostle. No. Next, and mobile no dinam be more. Boniface be no idiot. Your kind of I can't be and to us or we used to the life no a process and connect the mountain obai the faithful servant nam obabeji enyina yenkwa ne de Yesu Kristo de why then obubu obunsam kojo Yesu Kristo yinya te kai Herod no nyina Herod siemfa enkwara nyina Herod no kunkum nkra ni Yesu ntino why Yesu Herod Yesu aye no pasa Nero okunkum Kristo for Yesu aye den why no pasa Domitian okunkum Kristo for okum John opeso okum John oye de opeso nyina no Yesu aye den wababe den oben some munyam kai John Herod knew basa worms excuse me to say son za normal basa we ti wasa na mu pi free no. That is the power of God. Or tells you are no one having not to any who any sanity or the boyini ujanu abe obianta anedo. That is what it is. So I say, onyanko Yesu Kristo die odi nkunim. Donald Trump no free say and go be normal to say nyankwa no oye man hoso nyankopon brenasi one time. I say wiase intene wiase sa fa nyankopon fa bo bra nyankopon manumo ho ban san so say wa bitimi abo ho ban dia enyo no ntimi den ntimi mo ho ban ma because wa office wa we onya media but men fam fane ne yard you lane emre ni ba obu aten ase guso. So either way it's a loss for you and either way it's a win-win for Jesus and the Christians and the faithful Christians. The moment to aswe the John Kanyani say power we na ekuta Yesu no the might na ekuta Yesu no that might no power no the that might no just say Yesu de nam no very glorious say yemfe ho ntu ne so abre nyina na say the Christo ni bia so wo Yesu mu no so was that power ni bi. So I say you have all the power and dominion, yes, and the Bible over all rule and authority in Christ. John catch Christopher say munya but mamu yamu chisemo mamu mohu esan say Yesu no the power and might ne glory na omu no enu amu na yeso say den yewo ti mama obiara nhunhura mama your friend is saying narrow nhunhura ye mama Domitian nhunhura de beba mo so bia na mo ehu se mo yanka se ye wo honhom mu ene ye de kasa honam de obeku Yesu sizen mensuro de obekum den honam no na mo nsuro de obekum honhom no ene honam no Yesu nkwa na etim kum honhom ne honam obunsam timi nkum honhom obunsam obe sell but ontimi nkum en new honhom dise nyankopɔn ko a ti ono na o say eden isuro no na John so pese o ka kire Christopher ni say me ene wo say wo sa power we dia ye wo tumi e wa de nyina so ti nse say eden nse say isuro san say ene eden ye ni nyankopɔn ene eden ene nam ti mu me ene eden mu me akoso nye mfe nyankopɔn ento ya wo so san say de e wo no de wo yi mu no o so say de eden de wo wiase so simple and it's a joyful feeling bi a think Kristo ni bi anya so go Kristo ni obuza unya na say oh minya mi hu die ekoso kra o ke say mi die mi hu say nyankopon po Kristo ni chia Kristo na so ofrel Kristo ni chia wa so just onya mi din mu say nyame nti bibia yi din kan say Kristo ni unim obi abi mu nyame nko na anim no Kristo ni unyame ene obi bia nti no said ye tie bia no so original because Jesus never gave up. Jesus when give up. So what I say, Jesus never gave up. Nti o Kristo ni no, wo yo Kristo ni na za o jeja awon a njeja awon be fa wo. Si Jesus jeja no a ka de for asifo ni de ye no ne emperor ne kings ne de ye no. Ka wantimi kwa ndi 32 33 years no di owiase no gamzenga odi be yes I mean go di 2 years kwa ngonya because ka Herod correct no long time ago but when jeja no from 2 years no kwa no e bia no oni Herod je sie ni so ati ase na Herod ti sai na peta me John peso kanya ani se minia me mu sanse di o tie mu no o so sen di owiase izo be kai kwa na nse du be mi na Paul eko Rome na nenko ne chidifo no amu no ne Christopher ni na Paul na o ko Roma ko ene o ko Roma ebekun Paul nye sa de omo kan na de na oti isan say na Paul onim de Nyankopɔ Yesu aka dada Yesu John onim de Yesu aka Paul onim de Yesu aka say all powers no so that say has been given unto him Iwiase ene so ensu asase bebia Paul no nim sa ayiwe onim sa power we Yesu aka no John onim sa power we Peter onim sa power we James onim sa power we Philip onim sa power omunyina they all knew this nti omo ya dia no omunsuro sans onim say Yesu power no emu no mo yeden omo the son of man power no enum no mo yeden enum no mo ntimi nya John ka che yen say sa power we ni ense ne den yemfa moye ho ban yemfa ye ho nhyem na sa power na enye den endi ye ho because sa power no edi wi ase nyina so nkunem ebubu obonsam na sa power we ni kutawa bibia ni wa ye den wontim enye ti sa na John eden o ka che o share Christopher no na me ene wo in Christ say yemfa so ni ene den yemfa ndi Onyankopon achi so that I say because Yesu eden or ye king na wodi or ye king of all kings or ye lord of all lords wodi ewiase so ne enkunim bibia say the ma church na sa king of kings we say no Yesu king of kings na John e kan kwa na John okọ nechi na okọfa the book of Genesis you read Genesis 14:17 to 18 na chapter 14 verse 17 to 18 no you say Abraham that on near friend Abraham near friend Abraham so I just say you so then okọ so okọ je ne your friend is ne wo fa say Lot so I just say okọ rescue ne wo fa say Lot if we the king of King Chedorlaomer Chedorlaomer okọ so okọ je of Elam no okọ so okọ je Lot if we enkwaso na say free omonsem so I just na sa time na okoje na okodi nkunim na oban ti sa asem a story bi aka say ya kan keke but entiasie bi there's a meaning bi omu a also obi aweden unya enti okodi nkunim na oban so I just say na king Melchizedek no a king of Salem and the high priest of God so I just say Oshia Abraham e won the victory no mu no so ati ase no yeden o man Abraham o kwenchi ni like o man wine the eden eno mo man nsuo ma ne de kwenchi na kumem wo eden victory na ede baby ofri ba ne be bra wa bre ene ahoden a o lusu anyankopon be se eden o san back to ne ahoden no nya ne bre ni nyina ene anije a o nyina ne sa ba eden o man o kwenchi no heart man sa nsuo ne no man wine no man na man eden o de kwenchi ne test so ati asenti we na John ebe so o ma menu mienu ene o kache Christopher ni nyina ne say back then Christopher the first Christopher ni nyina say yeah for anything say and say Nyankopon the king of Melchizedek the king no and the high priest no Jesus Christ no maybe beba so ati say your yen a be dinku Christo ni a be dinku ni man kusi awie in your victory no Jesus say, if you endure in me to the end, then the album on quiet and quabutry. John catches says, I make kiss the way. Do ye ma Abraham, and I say Abraham, no. Sa pepe na ye Christopher said, and maybe the banner say, to me, as soon Yankupon could see through the persecution, na say ye didn't kunim dia. They said, oh man, or quench the heart of Abraham, or be quench, yeah, to say your heart, which is or be fine. No be me abutre nkwa no no dia eden o dia akọ osra himem nyenya ni na eden akwa akotena ni edi ode abre nyina ti nyina no se esum onyame ya sa pepepe nyense ebele ebenya ti sa na John ka kire tu me enko verse 14 na about 14 or say his head and hair were white like wool so I say as white as snow and like and his eyes like a flame of fire. Some can say John Ekon because Jesus is in what? In the Son of Man. To see Jesus in Yankupon handsome kwa and all can. The moment break his and some year John 14 year John I can't say near say dear John but talk catch a Christopher say from Webra near Fontaine Yankupon saying Yankupon Chibiana or ba no buy and saying in an enchantment. The moment to us when breaking it down no say his head and hair were like wool. So I just say the Indian him say John or describe Jesus Christ in the Son of Man like and say the American say oh Ninyamia Ninyamia or the divinity no so any deity na or church I say hair were like white wool the wool no but so say old age white wool no white like wool no and then ni Jesus ni old age yes, I tell you, old age, what Alpha and Omega, or infitiacy, and we old age and just waba, baby, you're by the quantity to yin and to know. That's what I'm trying to say, or infitiacy, and Jesus, or I in the beginning, I am, Jesus say, I am, many, dear many. So I say, I am who, I am that I am. And as I am who I am. So I say, and Ubia yes no ne time of nobody knows it. Ubia beton. So I say ne also say divine wisdom. Yesu ne osro nyansa or and be antino sa. And someone John Ekenan is what? Is an attribute. They are all attributes to God. So I say the Father no in the Old Testament no until John Eden as an Ayusu. Ama Jesus Christ. John now also no so I proclaim say Jesus or person na John sa kan ama Christopher nyina sa say Jesus is equal to the Father. Jesus only the Father na pepe in the Son of Man like no only or your Father no or your Jano. So I just say or your God. So I just say into your church and say he is what white like wool. So I just say in Yansan in the Alpha and Omega no Nina na John Eden. I can no better that is see can say John no opposite Jesus and the Son of Man or the pre and the post existence. So I just say ni penny na be den ye be tool. Ni penny na answer be den be wajan. or say bibia betwem akọ na ono ne nsem ne de ono ni asem no ono ntwem nkoda ote hwa za ote ho una obeba no wanyini ono kwa wasa ma time a odebewu eti no wa ban na mu a no owu na akọ no de ote ho cause we nipa etwem bisi eso a sisi enche bia na de na de menya grey hair enche bia na zo ya amekọ my osamai me ba na mu hu mi na mu dwan right here na Yesu de no eden no that so tio na de bia na ka just say bra na fa wa komanya mami na fa wo brain na brain na me ma relief so I just say me ma ahoto fa wo de den brain na me family de mu ha no nye den na me fa ma so I just say ti sa na John e ka train say nyankopon na edi na chi no untunku ena wada ono no free tete ena obesa akwa akosi de ewiase na wie asa abru wiase wie so enti no me yenye den mi nsuru no baby bia e dia man so ati as I say enyankopon no oye the ancient of days oye El Shaddai so ati as oye the bright and the morning star just say oye the Elohim nyankopon. So at the same John can some me I am that I am God. John church says me fair want to nyankopon the omnipresence, the omnipotence, the omniscience. So at the say God so the creator of what? Heaven and earth and the sea and all that is within. Nini na nyankopon we na you. Na John says o say nyankopon we dia. Maybe nyankopon we dey bim ne say me my miracle say or persecution. Me move on. Let's endure. Nyankopon no yem je bibia me nyankopon be den. Obe ya dia me to obo Christopher na ba so pa say me nye we fan hye nyankopon animunyam. So I tell say it no and I can say yes I nyankopon we say no ye the one that was, the one that is, and the one that shall forever and ever be. Amen. We pensing, cause obunsam uni hodada obunsam sisi uwa. I'm sorry. Obunsam won say obunsam jim. Ijantine yatu ijani din obunsam ejim. Anka initially nka obunsam kwa also nkoku. So at I say Adam and Eve were the Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden it was supposed to be the luxurious life all the time, but obunsam so yeah in DC and yamin sanko echi or dada fontin or dada onipa and I'm gonna buy say. Can you say that obunsam jim na for obunsam the angels no mobile no and then kana ye ato e dia mom na we no so no o say video Daniel say mami fe say o de mami fe yem bi Daniel na yem fe the Daniel. So Daniel 7:9-13. Yem fe what Daniel wants to tell us about it. No, chapter verse 7 no and verse 13. Yes, so and feel the Daniel so yeah or no they catch it. Daniel say your friend is saying 7:8 no 7 my main jump into 7 no or say my main static graphic or when my start 9 or say I watched till thrones were put in place and the ancient of days was what? Sealed. The garment was white as snow and the hair of his head was like pure wool. Something and I don't Daniel's hiding. Daniel God was breaking it down more than the kind. Remember 13 is anything and so 13 or say I was watching in the night visions, and behold, one like the Son of Man, Jesus okay, coming with the clouds of heavens. So I just say he came to the ancient of days. They say, and the revelation is both what? The Old Testament and the New Testament put together. Yeah, Jesus or church as someone say, the nipa kind one tiasia, they say me the man yen summary nam there. So the revelation is there the summary of the other books in the Bible. Old and New Testament no aka bom na Christopher dia bi na be se yeti ya asom den yentimi tie di Nyankopɔn ka da bia we want to overcome Nyankopɔn mom ene metie yen asem na yen fa Nyankopɔn asem no Nyankopɔn ɔka na asem on sesa esa te na asem no na ɔno Nyankopɔn na edi so nti no no ntimi sesa na asem na asem no ene no kore no tu nyamu minua me na ono ne be sesa Nyankopɔn ne konsesa nti na John aka akyerɛ no and they brought him near before him so ati ase ye de ne ba Nyankopɔn ho nti no asɛm no ani aka pepepe di ato nti munia wo me enko break ne ensa amra na ba ma ye de masa ato aso na ye de bibia si pepepe ndo asese otie me twɛn me na me ba sisia